from grade 7 and this project is based on wastewater treatment plant. As you can see, this is the receiving tank. This receives wastewater. The water is then passed at a high speed into screening tank. Here the screening tank consists of bar screens which helps in obstruct the path of large objects like plastic bags, cans and bottles. The water is then passed into grit removal tank. Here the speed of water is reduced to allow the settlement of grit, sand and pebbles particles. Then the water is passed into skimming tank. Here oil, grease and dust particles are settled. The water is then passed into sedimentation tank and left undisturbed for several hours to allow the settlement of heavier particles, fine particles, impurities and bacteria. The water is then passed into aeration tank. Here large amount of air is passed through the water to allow the growth of aerobic bacteria. The aerobic bacteria help in decomposition of bacteria and soap and detergent. The water is then passed into filtration tank. Here we use sandpaper or filter paper to remove aerobic bacteria and fine particles. The water which leaves the tank is known as clarified water. The water is then passed into disinfection tank. The disinfection tank consists of chemical process of chlorinization. This kills the disease-causing bacteria and the finer particles which can't be removed in the whole process. The water is then passed into distributive chamber. The distribution chamber distributes it throughout the town and city. The water is safe and pure to consume and can be used for household purpose or domestic purpose.